Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be changing the rear wiper on the Toyota Sienna. It's a little bit tricky to change the wiper on here, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that today, so stay tuned. So the OEM wiper for the Sienna is a 16-inch Denso right here. So here's the part number. You get this for like $15 to $18. So check the links in the description for this. So here's the exact size of it. The box is much bigger than the actual wiper itself. So on the Toyota Sienna, you can see the wiper is actually tucked under the rear spoiler right there. And there's really no easy way to change it. You actually have to have the arm straight down here to do it. So we'll go inside and I'll show you guys how to put that down and keep it down. So what we want to do is just turn the car on to the on position, turn on the rear wiper. You have to just turn it off when the arm is down. So you can see right here, this thing is 10 years old. I haven't changed it since I bought this car new in 2015. So right now you can see that thing is falling apart, so it's time to change that out. They do sell the insert replacement from the dealer, but that thing is probably almost the cost of this thing. So you go ahead and just replace the whole thing if you have to. In addition to the Denso one, I think Bosch makes a similar wiper that almost looks the same, and that's a little bit cheaper, a few bucks cheaper than this Denso OEM one. So to remove it, it's kind of like the front one. It doesn't have the little clip or flap, but what you do is just kind of pop it right out of the arm right there. We'll go ahead and pop this thing out. Pop that out, you take the new one, it only goes in one direction. Perfect. As you can see, very easy change out, an easy maintenance item to do. After this, just turn the wiper back on and it'll go back to its original position. Right here you see the original one. As you can see, that thing's seen better days, but this thing lasts a long time because it's tucked under that shaded area under that spoiler. So this thing's going on 10 years of a garage kept car. If you keep your car outside, they might last a little bit less than that, but you can see this thing has gotten my money's worth out of it out of the original one already anyways. Like I said earlier, I think the dealer sells a replacement, just a rubber piece for that, but it's probably $7 or $8 at least, if not more, where you can replace the whole thing for maybe twice that. Hey guys, thanks for joining me all the way to the end of this quick video on changing out the rear wiper. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet to stay on top of all my different DIY videos on the Sienna, on the various Lexuses, on the Avalon, or wherever I'm working on, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on bell notifications, get notified every time I upload. For all these different projects, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I want to thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.